When the pandemic hit, not knowing what was going to happen, trying to figure all of that out and trying to do it from a standpoint of we're here to help people. We had to figure out what would be the best way to handle this situation. And how are we going to be able to best serve people and to be able to give them these resources with everything closed down and knowing that there's still a need out there.
Usually at Heritage House, it's a bustling place. We have residents attending activities, visiting with family members. In March of 2020, everything changed. We had to really rework the way that we did all of the services at Heritage House. We needed to switch over to providing meals for folks in their rooms, providing people with iPads and tablets so that they could visit with their family members virtually. Luckily, we haven't had any cases of COVID at Heritage House.
The Market Commons is a resource/community center that helps people wherever they are. Whether it's coming in because they need resources, we're here for them. We normally serve the senior population, and so knowing that that was the main population that was getting hit hard by the pandemic, we just wanted to make sure that they were going to be in a safe environment and still receive the resources that they need. To go from most of it's been in person to switching over to over the phone and email, we had to figure out what that looked like. So we had to transition everything over into a new system that we haven't tried before. Luckily, we were able to do that transition smoothly to a point where we were still able to capture everybody and to get them the help and the resources that they needed. From that transition, we moved into the vaccinations.
We are so delighted at what's happening here today at the Senior Center. It is the second round of vaccines through a mobile clinic with the Seattle Fire Department that is vaccinating older members of the Market community right here on site at the Pike Place Market.
I mean, it's been great. I can't believe that they brought the vaccine to us here, to the Senior Center. So it's very easy.
It's like a weight's been lifted off me. And it's like, just relief, because I had been trying to get the vaccination before and it was really hard for me to get it, but the Market did it for me. They got me in and got me vaccinated.
I've met so many new people while the pandemic has been going on that needed that help, but also I've made friends during the pandemic that I feel are going to be lasting relationships, whether it's they need some food resources or health care, or if they just need to vent. We're able to meet them where they are and give them the help that they need in order to move forward.
It has changed our world here at Heritage House to have those vaccines and has opened it up again for people to be getting back out and seeing their family members and feeling like they can be part of the community again.